question people ask when they're getting used to their embroidery machine is how do they delete something off screen? So whether you've pulled it up and you've decided, oh no, that's not what I've done, or you've already finished embroidering and you're now ready to move on to the next project. So first off, we're starting to learn that there are two screens or playgrounds we use when we're embroidering. So when you first bring in a design, in the area where you can kind of edit it, choose your hoop, do other things to this, if you see the word go to stitch out, you are on the screen where you can edit and delete a design. But if you do not see the word go, and I'm going to just go ahead and pretend that we are on the embroidery side of the screen here. Yes, it's going to ask me to attach a hoop, but I can kind of fake it for just a second. But you'll notice that in this screen where we embroider from, this is where we can see all of our stitch out information, how long it's going to take, how many colors we're working on, everything there. This screen you cannot delete a design from. It means you can't select it, you can't do anything. But you do see at the bottom, you see embroidery edit with an arrow pointing back. Like you need to go back out of the embroidery screen or embroidery stitch out, go back to embroidery edit. That's where you will be able to do something to the design. So embroidery edit shows at the top. You can select it, you can move it, size it, do everything here. But to delete it, you have a couple ways of doing this. If you touch and hold the design, now the design does need to have a box around it. So as we touch it once, you get the selection for the box. Touch in the middle of the box without moving your finger until that black box comes up. Here you have lots of options, one of them being delete. Now delete sounds pretty permanent. Keep in mind, all you're doing is deleting it off the screen. You are not removing it from the machine or your USB stick or your cloud. It's just clearing it off, just what you've been wanting to do. You also have a delete all option. Let me show you first delete. Okay, so I'm going to just quick bring up a random design. We are kind of near Christmas time, so let's do some holiday designs. Why not, right? Okay, so I'm going to actually touch and hold, and I'm going to actually I'm going to duplicate this. So we have more than one design. If you're trying to delete all the designs off the screen, maybe you've put on a whole bunch of names too, you will find that you'll need to touch and delete, touch and delete. But if you just touch and hold, and you get the smaller version, you don't even have to select the designs, but you do get a delete all. So delete all will take off 3, 4, 5, however many designs are on your screen. Delete all will clear it, but before it does, it always asks you, are you sure you want to delete the designs? And go ahead and touch OK. Now you are ready to start a new project by bringing in your next design from wherever your designs are stored. If you have finished embroidering your design, another way to clear it is just to turn the machine off, and then later when you turn it back on, it'll be all cleared out. Well, that takes a little bit to restart it all, so knowing how to touch and hold and delete or delete all is a time saver. But in a pinch where you can't remember, you can always turn the machine off and that will clear it out as well. If you want to learn more of all these great tips and techniques, our Embroidery Essentials course is probably the course you want to jump into, where we'll take you from zero to hero, being a master embroiderer on your wonderful Pfaff Creative Icon 2.